In this video, I'm going to tell you two free websites with the help of which you can remove an image background and also make it transparent so that you can create thumbnails which are going to stand out. So let's see how to do that. And here's the first one from Adobe. So I have given the link of that in the below description. You can just click on that and get to this page. Right, once you go here, it says upload your photo. Click on that. Select your photo and drop it. Removing the background, refining the edges. So this lets you download a good quality, a transparent image which you can use for creating a good thumbnail which is going to stand out. Or if you want to create a banner or whatever you want, you can certainly do that. Now you could see it has created a transparent image. Just click on download and it starts downloading. Okay, so now it's downloaded. Now let me just open that. Right, so you could see it has created a good transparent image. Okay, now let me show you the other website which can also help you. Now that is called as remove bg. Okay, again the link I have given in the description. Right, so here upload an image to remove the background. So just drag and drop the image here. Let me just do that. Now say for example I want to remove the background. Right, you could see it has removed the background as well. Now with remove bg you also have an option to edit. Say for example if there is no perfect transparent image it has created, say for example if there are any minute edits that you want to do, you can certainly do as well. So that's the advantage with remove bg. Okay, so again you can just click on download image. So one thing that I've seen is when you get with Adobe, you slightly have a higher quality image compared to what you get from remove bg. Now if you go for upgraded version of both of them, then you get a lot more features as well. Okay, now let me show you with one other image so that if I can show you how exactly edit can be done. Okay, now say for example I want to pick this. Okay, so even this it has done really well. Now say for example if there is anything that I want to edit, I can just click on edit. Okay, so if you feel the complete transparency is not good or something, you can just go to a particular section. Say for example, okay, so I see a little bit blur here. Now if I want to remove that, I can do it. You can just go to erase or restore. Use the brush size to what extent you want. Right, just slightly move it and you can remove even those small little things. Okay, and save it as well. So any update anything that you feel there is slightly that has to be removed or something like that, you can do with the help of this. Okay, so let me just quickly show you. Okay, so I've not done perfectly right, but again, so if you want to see, now that I have erased, now say for example I want to restore, you can restore the section that has gone as well. Okay, so that's how you even here have an option to edit as well. So once done, now just see if it looks good, then go for download. Now once you have done this, you can certainly create thumbnails which are going to stand out. So let me just take this to images and show you how to create a great thumbnail. So you could see now this is a transparent image, this is a transparent image, this also is a transparent image, correct? Now usually I create thumbnail with the help of PowerPoint. You can certainly create with help of Canva, whatever software that you are going to use. It's all going to be almost same. Now if I put a picture here, it is going to look a lot more better as well. Right, now say for example let me take for this, find your channel niche in 7 steps. Okay, let me just bring this image, put it here. Okay, and drag it. You see, so it gives lot more great appeal for your thumbnail. Right, So same with this. If you want to just add any particular one, you can just add it. Something like this, right? Now let me just drag one more image here and put it, right? So I'm just going to drag it and make it slightly bigger, right? See, that's how you can make sure your thumbnails are going to stand out. Thanks for watching. I believe this video was helpful. I've given both the website link in the video description and also in the comment section. You can just click on that, sign up and start using it for absolutely free. If you have any questions that is related to YouTube, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you want to learn how exactly to get good SEO score for your video so that it comes more in the search, then make sure to watch a video about TubeBuddy, how it can help you to get good SEO score as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button. Click on that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel.